guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, The Screaming Pugs.
Okay guys, today we're gonna make some braaibroodjies. We're gonna make two traditional ones we normally make, and we're gonna do two more fancier ones for you.
And yes, we are serious. We are making like braaibroodjies. For people who don't know what that is, if you're watching in another country or something, it's basically toasted bread that you make on the fire.
Yeah, it's a tradition of ours.
Yeah, it's braai bread, barbecue bread. Yeah, so let's just get to it.
Okay, so you'll need some cooked bacon, biltong, cheese, a tomato, your garlic, some jam, this is apricot, feta, and your butter, and obviously your bread. And also remember the onion, we always forgot. This is really necessary. Okay guys, there's obviously some prep work to be done here. So we're going to do all the little prep work, and then we're going to start with our sandwiches. Okay, so this is the easiest one. You're going to need like 3 ingredients: your bread, your butter, and obviously your garlic. So you're going to take your 2 slices of bread. Thank you, Megan.
When the OCD kicks in.
And obviously you're going to butter it.
Now this is literally like the simplest one you can find in a store. Like if you go to Checkers or any butchery or anything like that, and you're like in the mood to braai, you're gonna find a French loaf with like garlic in it.
This is also a fun one for the kids to make.
Yeah, easy. And if you're my sister, you're gonna need a lot more garlic though.
Yeah, this is not gonna be sufficient for her.
There we go. It's like Brian's like scared of the garlic.
I don't want to overdose on the garlic again.
I'm happy to overdose on garlic.
I think that's enough.
That's enough. And that's literally the first sandwich, guys. So I'm going to put that one aside and continue with the rest. Okay, so for the next one, you're going to need some onions, tomatoes, and cheese. Like, you don't have to grate the cheese, but you can use slices as well, but grated cheese is just so much better. Okay, so you start with 2 slices of bread, butter. I took too much, I realize this. So I feel this is like the most basic braaibroodjie you'll get at anyone's home if they didn't like buy garlic bread. Yeah,
this is a standard one. If someone asks you if you want one, this is most likely what you're getting.
Yeah, so the first layer is always like onion. I usually make like a thin layer because I don't like thick onion. But if you're one of those people that doesn't do the onion, you usually get a sandwich that doesn't have a corner. It's the universal sign in South Africa that you're like full of shit, basically.
Yeah, or if you want one with maybe chutney. I like it actually with chutney.
It is good, but we're going basic here. Okay, another layer of tomato, and then you can get like salt and pepper, you can get aromat. This is just like we're being fancy. Roasted garlic and lemon salt. And you just put a little bit over. And then lastly, you just add
a ton of cheese.
Add a ton of cheese. I'm wasting the cheese by making it fall off. And there you have it. Number 2 to complete. Okay, so this one's gonna be more like dessert braaibroodjies. You're gonna need some jam and cheese. That's it.
I think this is also one for the children to make.
Yeah, if your kid is fussy about what he or she eats, this might be a good one because it's gonna be sweet. Okay. That's fresh right there. So just gonna put a little bit on. Remember, this is gonna heat up, so you don't want like hot jam dripping everywhere. Okay. And then lastly, you're just gonna add some cheese on here. I used to eat sandwiches like this all the time, and then somewhere along the line I stopped for some reason. But there you go. Sandwich number 3 done.
Okay, so here we're gonna start our final one, the gourmet braaibroodjie. Just gonna start with our butter.
The feast resistance. How do you say that? The very nice one.
They're really nice. So we're gonna add our onions.
Brian's like in a hurry to finish the sandwich, guys. He's like just throwing stuff at this stage.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna add our tomato. I'm gonna add some more of this roasted garlic and lemon. Not too much. Okay, now we're gonna add some bacon.
Yeah, we just cut it into little strips to make it a little bit easier. It sucks when you bite into a sandwich and you pull out like an entire lettuce leaf or a piece of bacon.
Gonna leave a little bit for the cats.
Yes, it is dinner time almost.
Now the biltong, because we're South African and biltong is always good.
If you don't have biltong in your country, you want to try this? Jerky. Or biltong. Just try making biltong.
Oh, it looks like biltong is all over the world now.
That's a good thing. I support this movement.
So yeah, and then we're gonna add our feta, not too much.
Yeah, there's already so much going on there.
Just spread it around a little bit more. And also some cheese, because why not?
Yes. Oh, he's being like very gentle about it. I would have liked throwing everything on there. The biggest challenge of the night, getting this on the braai without everything falling out.
So yeah, there you have it.
I'm gonna show you guys how to do the rest.
Nice and thick.
Dinner time as promised. They got some bacon. Okay, so this is pretty much the most important part of the entire process of making a braaibroodjie. You have to like make a fire for a braai.
Now please don't judge my braai. Okay guys, and this is also an important part of braaing. This is some dop for us.
Yeah, lockdown will not keep us back from this.
We came prepared.
Cheers.
Cheers. On the braai goes.
And we wait. They're done, guys. Look how beautiful they are.
Delicious braaibroodjies.
Taste test.
This is the bacon and biltong and feta.
And onion and cheese and tomato. I'm excited to taste this. Okay guys, so remember this is just like 4 sandwiches or braaibroodjies we made. You get like so many different ones. Like Brian will put in a list here for you of just all the potential ones that you can make.
We actually saw one for marshmallows and Nutella.
Yeah. I don't know if that's going to be good on bread though.
Yeah.
Like I was considering it and then I was like, let's not. Let's just take jam. I know that tastes good.
Options are endless.
So yeah, we're not going to taste all of the braaibroodjies because we kind of know how most of them taste. But we're really excited for the bacon and the biltong one.
So let's taste this.
Would you like the plate because you're going to crumb?
Hey guys, that's a good braaibroodjie.
The thing that makes them great is they always have like a flame grilled bread taste. Oh, this is so good. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, comment down below, what do you usually put on your braaibroodjies? Like, we'd love to try it. Like, any excuse to braai, guys. Any excuse.
Yeah, give us some weird ingredients to add on your braaibroodjies.
Yeah, what's something else weird that you guys do on the braai except like put meat on there? Like we are so curious, like beyond pap and potjie and bread, like what can you put on there?
And also guys, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us.
Yeah, almost at 100 guys, almost.
Almost, we're getting there.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.